Okay.
Okay, yala.
Yala ro. Rin nato sang kwa na to. Okay. Report rin.
For the cabin. Kana siya likod na siya back of our office, our office. And hada obigay ni emergency.
That's our hospital, no?
Yeah, that is the obigay.
Ay, very glaring kayo.
Oh my God, so glaring from the sun.
Ay, wow, it's so dark.
Evet. Ay, against the light.
It's
Maybe
okay.
Here.
Yala ro. Very
too
nice,
much
no?
Against the light, no? Too much against the light.
We're
but the
making
not
video.
clear, yeah.
Mamad, oh.
Oh, that one. Hada, our fuse
Ulo
inside.
ka.
That one, no? Hada future. Inshallah accommodation, no? See? Nice. Mashallah. What? Mafi Malo Muhammad, no? Mafi Malo, I don't understand. Oh, that one. Start of the desert in Alcor. Baba Mafi like Dakal. Ana Mafi like Dakal. Only outside.
Paukas na kita kong kaldo.
No need. Sisi, no. Oh, Muhammad, don't disturb me. I am doing video.
Doon ako simod. Sa mo kasi rin.
Oh, golf club. Sisi.
Baba!
Background music. There's nothing that I would change. Roundabout. First roundabout here in Alcor.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? It's really round.
Square about.
Alam po yun na maghunong diri unyang gabi iba.
Dili ko rin, ikaw ganan silang flowers, kisabot.
Baglay lang dayon ta ba? Pag mayroon nito, balag din tayo.
Next, sa kwan na lang rin, winter season.
Oh, ngano, duty pa Tagalcor.
There are no boat, no? There.
There, over there.
Aywa!
Oh, see? That's the...
On the left,
Kachara
right
cars already, no?
corner.
They have new cars. So that one, Kachara. Cemetery, no? Here, medyo layo-layo yung paggamay.
On the left corner, Muffy scene. Only cars. And trees.
Cars, where's the cars?
Yeah. Cars, 1.
Oh, 1, 2. Counting cars. Wahid,
Itnin,
Talata,
Arba, Kamsa,
6,
7, 10. Si. Senyor. Wajid sa Yara, no? Oh. Inta, malum, ha? I forgot to take a video our cemetery. Not ours, their cemetery.
Yeah.
What is this one? Our driver now.
Playing again, no? Alatul play.
Our driver, haram. Driver na.
Karwabas, no?
Badin.
Badin, Karwabas, no?
This one good. Their gold supermarket.
Yeah, the gold supermarket.
Take a look.
Balasim supermarket. Inside of that, you will see the finest
Only vegetables
golds.
and
Yeah, their vegetables there is made of gold.
oh, sisi.
Only
Only just a supermarket.
Yeah, but made of gold.
Covered with
Wow. They're
made
so
and
rich,
covered.
They're so rich.
Aywa.
I can't afford.
Sabat pagkitan mga hilom ni maglubat.
Hilom na walang maluban.
Yaren, civil.
Police. Sir.
Civil.
Here, the civil defense.
Civil day. Civil. Di na kabalo malitos. Maatong commercial bank ang
commercial bank dito siya.
ang address ni.
Address ni Alfardan, no? Kana siya ako na siya sa unang kuan.
Ang commercial bank tag-iya to sa mo.
Now it's open, no? Tonight, no, our male staff Pushpa will buy Crusher. Where's Pushpa? Video
Pushpa!
video.
Buy
Yeah, that one,
Crusher!
buy Crusher! Yay!
Pushpa!
Tonight.
He's doing also
Yeah,
video, no?
Yeah, see, Pushpa also
doing video.
Because
Pushpa!
tonight, he will buy.
Us also, Pushpa no,
Crusher.
only buildings. Us, your colleagues.
Yeah, us also.
See.
Video.
Video. Hi. Say hi also, Puspa.
Lagi, say hi, hero.
Oh, tabla-tabla na ni.
Oh.
Ay, baligyan na siya. Baligyan na siya.
Babalik ka,
Mamad, yalaro. There. Ay,
McDonald's, Hardee's, Domino's.
Oh, maatong
whatever
McDonald's nga ang ilahang cashier. Perti ka bayot no, gusto ko magpalit mig 11 ka.
Nasukogin siya 11 ka, tag-piso nga.
Sunday.
Sunday. O, Kabayan Hypermarket. Gusto mo mapalit o pang Pinas nga mga items.
Aywa.
You can find it in Kabayan Hypermarket.
Aywa.
Near
On the
Chevrolet.
right.
You want to buy Chevrolet cars? Nahada Chevrolet cars. Future Lulu. Na still na to.
Second run of no,
No,
third
third,
run
no, third
of
Seashore, Robilins time.
But you don't tell no, Anna's time there in Commercial Bank.
School.
Schools for military.
Military, no? Yeah, bang. There.
Yeah, too much papa inside.
And then this one. Now is the start of the dessert.
Dessert to.
Okay, try to take a look yun. Take a look.
Ang gwapo kay kuha si Kwan dito ba kinasa tubangan.
Inta shoot dessert to.
Inta.
Inta. Shoot.
Yalaro mama. Tomorrow is our last day na. We go there no. Mini-mini.
Go there, White Tower. Fourth roundabout.
Mafi no. Mafi inside run of Arba. Arba.
Arba roundabout.
Start.
Start of the dessert.
Sir. Say hi Ren.
Hi.
And you say
Hi.
hello.
And I say hi.
Hello. Pati yan nang
Oh my God.
My goodness.
Sa gamay.
Yalaro si.
See, dessert.
On the left corner.
Dessert.
Bye-bye.
On the right corner,
Corner.
dessert.
On the right corner. Sim.
Same, no? What can you say, Nalcor? All dessert, no?
Magana na lang ka rin.
Alam mo, Ahmad, Bukra, we will go other way. No, gawuntag ba? Mamad, ah.
Yalaro.
Inshallah, Bukra, no?
But we will buy ice cream now.
Yeah, we will buy it.
Pushpa! That big ice cream we'll bring tonight.
Pushpa, you will choose, no? Crusher or big ice cream?
Crusher, 7 real per cup.
Per cup, so
Big ice cream only 11 reals. I will bring 4 cups and 4 spoons.
Oh, yes.
Zen?
Zen.
Oh,
Oh,
yay! Dala man sulod ko dahil basa sa
Kalimutan niya ka. On the left corner, what is it?
Mafi.
Mati? Mati, no Mati.
Dire na lang ko rin.
Same. Ramadan Kareem. Eid Mubarak.
There! This is what we call deserto.
Deserto. Mao na siyang ginatawag nga deserto. Unsa ba yung pagtanaw sa deserto, Vanessa? Unsa yung nakita ni mo sa deserto?
Naman gyapon siya dagagtanom rin. There's a lots of grasses. Grasses pag yun.
Grasses, lots of grasses, yeah.
Yeah. See? It's not a desert. It's just like a limestone.
This one, on the right corner.
On the right corner.
Another desert. What does it look like?
That's what they call deserto. But then the stone, the soil is not a soil.
It's limestone again.
It's limestone. It's not the sand.
Yeah, it's not sand.
But when you go there in sea line or Dukan, you can see the pure.
Yeah, correct. If you will go in Dukan, Isila.
Gamay kay kong English.
You know, if you remember the one you will see the movies, that kind of desert, you will see that in Sea Line, in Dukan.
Yeah.
Next time around, if me and Vanessa will go and tour together with
our supervisors,
together with
Mudirs.
our Mudirs, with our supervisor.
Ren, hadlok kayo rin, ha? Ren, hadlok kayo rin. Ay,
Why?
hindi mo lagi.
Inshallah, no? Inshallah.
Inshallah, ro. Kalkag kay Kogbo. Yay!
Tower, that is the Tower of Babylon. Joke.
Babylon.
Joke, joke, joke.
Another karwa. Another karwa.
Yeah, that's the Karwa bus. You know how much is the fare
Fare.
of Karwa from
Pino mo natandog rin?
Doha to Alcor?
Aywa?
How much runs? How much? 7 reals only?
Before, I don't know now how
I think
much.
maybe 10. Diba
Maybe.
they say that minimum ay asyasa daw ka wherever you are in
Wherever you go, just
You will
the
only
way
pay
you are.
10.
10.
And imagine how many kilometers.
I think it's 30, 27.
No, it's not. You will
27.
see- No. You will see there's another one oh 38, but that one, the 38, it
yeah.
didn't start on the, so maybe more or less 50 kilometers.
Oh!
Yeah, because that one, no, the 38, dili man na siya. O, man siya nag-start ka dito sa may Doha na siya gisugdan nga 38 kilometers na na.
yeah.
So, basin siguro, or maybe 40.
40. Maybe.
More or less.
More or less, more. More, 41, 41 gikan dire. So, more or less, more. 55 na lang rin. Nya na rin, mag-eskwela sa Tag-Judete.
Sige, eskwela sa tawag. Ano sa ta ha?
Sakto bang kurso kong aquariums?
Mag-survey sa ta, mag-survey. Mag-sip.
Ay, diri ko rin kaya. I like the view.
Yeah, like the view. See? You
We're
thought,
going-
imagine you thought that Qatar don't have forest, but try to take a look. There's forest in Qatar. See, that's a forest.
Fake
Real
forest.
forest.
Fake forest.
You know what are the trees in there? What is it, Vanessa?
Dates, dates. Yala dates.
Dates. Yeah, you know dates. You know
That's-
dating, girl and boy go dating. That is
It's
dates.
not just like it's their national trees.
Yeah, national tree dates.
I trace
National
dates.
fruit at the same time.
Only one tree. but as you
But
know,
there are so many.
so many. That's why I put S.
National trees.
Hala ko rin. Unsa naman ko rin.
Alam mo, go kay ka. Vanessa, you're so adoring.
Yeah.
Ew. And this one, Palace of...
Palace of Muhammad, no?
Yes, that's Muhammad.
Ano, Muhammad? That one, no?
Yeah,
Sisi.
see. Yeah, that is Muhammad. That is his kingdom.
Yeah, inshallah. Baden.
Inshallah, Baden.
Yeah, he make his kingdom there, oh. Big.
Big kingdom.
Because he was the...
He is.
Wala pa day ka na. He is the long lost son of Sheikh.
Yeah. Sheikh Jassim Al Thani.
Aywa.
That is why.
And we are the granddaughters.
yes, we are the granddaughters of long lost granddaughters also of Sheikh Jassim.
Yay! Mao na ang ilahang
Overpass. Ba si Maesma?
si Maisma Clinic. Take a look, ah. Do not.
Do not
Pamilok.
blink your eyes. Do not close your eyes. Even a blink.
Mao na ilang clinic. Bayot, si.
Ano din sila? Asa mo magkita? Gamay ka. Na-zoom diha.
Zoom.
Go.
Mao na ilang kuan. See? It's like a palace, no? But it's
Yeah.
only a clinic.
Pero clinic lang na siya.
Hello, yalaro. Oh.
Tuo ka na. Tuo na lang yun.
Oo na lang yun. Kami, nakasulod mi dira.
Nakasulod yun mi dira. Nakabantay-bantay po ka nagsa. Atik lang.
Ring, dagan niyo. I-post ka ba niya ako gito?
Dili nakabantay-bantay. Dili nga kita. But kita ba nga grupo sa Alicor? Ano ba?
Ano
Ikaw,
ba?
bitaw.
So, anong naman na yung red? Anong red siya?
Asa na?
What happened?
Maybe there's something happened.
Naikapon.
Yeah, there's
Lalo.
something happened. Yeah, new petrol station.
Aywa. Ato nang ipagamay kay mag-blurred naman din na siya.
Una sila yung underground pass. Underpass na ito.
Underground pass.
So, mali siya. Sorry.
Ariyan na sa kung Sa naman ni dahil ng buwan ba rin, hindi rin mga nagkagatanog-tanog.
Hello, lagi tayo background music. If only I have mastered these pieces, I will sing. Char.
Yan. Kana na lang background.
So, sige, kanta naman. Since wala naman.
Aywa!
Just then continue video.
Yeah!
1 hour video.
Hello!
Hello!
Hi, I am Vanessa.
Hi, I'm Rena, representing
Philippines!
Philippines from the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro.
City! Hoy, mahal na ba ang ransom ah? Nothing on you, baby.
God.
Nothing on you, baby.
I love the way you like it.
Take background rin.
Ano
see?
ba?
Ano yung gayong desierto, di ba? Mabuhi gyapon ng mga, I don't know what the name of the trees and
Those are
grasses.
desert trees.
Oh, that one no, na nasa Lion King.
See? Oh, nagi siya mga inana.
Nasa mga movies, but it's not just like a sand. It's a limestone. Dari marami ko ba mo sa buwan.
It's a secret.
See? Oh, nafi malom no, Arabic.
Iyan. Suya malo marami.
Aywa. Oh, nana din kapuyo sa mga lagyo.
Lagyo kay na siya no, bila ka kilometro tanawa gamay na kay siya sa inyong panlantaw. Maski sa among panlantaw.
Gamay lang yapon, pero nana siya gay nahinay o ano ko siya nakitaan.
Wala mo na pisa nito. Tara.
Sobrang mo siya kadako rin.
Ayan.
Okay.
Background bands. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because I like the way it hurts.
Like love.
Tanaw lagi sa lilang ko.
Just gonna stand and
Tanaw sa tagamay.
cry. Wala na.
That's alright because... Sige.
Sige na rin. Butangis.
Isa man. Oh my God. Mo na siya ang kanang Murag Stadium. Ito ng mag-car
Car
racing.
racing.
Sports
Aywa.
stadium. Ngayon na. Like car racing, motocross racing, whatever racing sa mga cars,
Cars.
motors, or
They will...
basta yung mga wheels. Layman po ng ilang racing sa
Aywa?
katong camel, no?
Camel race.
Pero inshallah, no, makakita lang kami ng camel
That-
race.
O kana siya nga...
Kanang nidagan sugat.
Kana siya nga stadium.
Yes.
This one, no, very nice if we can pass here. My
During night, nga
During
nakasiga na siya.
Aywa, all lights
Friday,
are open.
Usually Friday, Saturday.
Aywa,
diba?
if there's somebody inside playing. Alam mo, ito ka English rin?
Oo. Ano mo siguro naman?
Huwag lang ka. Basta
Gabot
na
mo,
ako playing.
Basta kamata siya. Just don't mind our English because
You
so
know.
hard. No, always.
Because I'm studying lots of languages. Languages naman.
Because English, if is taxes always, no?
Aywa, it is taxes.
If is taxes. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn.
That's alright because I like the way you hurt.
Just gonna stand there and hear me cry.
That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Na 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 na.
Her lips, every kiss they only if she's let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh,
We
you
don't know
you
what's inside of that place. Oh, I think it's one of the sheikh's house.
Yeah,
That's
it's
what
another
we
palace,
think.
no? Another palace.
Aywa.
Samo lang ng pagtuha.
Yeah. Yeah, sige mo ko biyayoy.
Evet.
Baby, we take look
A closer
closer
look.
look.
Of the
Okay.
palace.
Shreya, mama day. Yeah.
Mas baragan kayo na rin
Sobrang na din kataan. Hindi na din ako makuha. Saan pakuha? Ana na din na offer man day to. O si senyoras.
Oh, ilang palasyo ba? Kay palasyo beach siya. Mo na siyang tinuod yung palasyo.
Palas.
Just the way you are, di kayo sila. Ikaw ba naman, luwag pa kayo? Dapat pa
Mama da. Our driver haram.
Finish already, you play?
Why you make stop?
Talaga kadunggan gitawan na gila automatic mo. Klaro kay bay? Dol magugay sa banda da.
Abo nga kuya, kaya na siya sa Francine.
Okay.
Pinatong na akong ganarin. Okay rin.
Kailangan na to, wala pang sa ligawas. Agay ito na gido. Hi! Dili klaro kay Gigi.
Ay, against the light na na.
Against the light.
I-off ta dira. On the right corner, they start making buildings. On the left corner,
Another side making building.
Alo, Siri, no?
What?
grabe kayo ang sun.
Yeah.
Nakuha kita ko sun. Dili na lang ta sa right corner. Kinamang ko yung sun dito ay maglagod sa kanyang sun.
Dili na rin yung maklaro ang mga view. Balasig
Sisi
na
naman ko. Sige lang kong sisi.
Show. Ito show. Show.
Why you make stop? Tingala na Pushpa. Why you did not continue?
Very long video.
I want.
Full already? Ha?
Yeah, why you make stop?
Dagan na daw ko na tayo. 81 videos na daw.
Maloya na dayang gawa naman din ni istorya rin.
Ano yung mastorya kay Deserto, no?
Dili na siya dessert to oy o si.
Ano mo yung mga building po ko? So, di na sa Deserto.
Yan. Haram gikin niya.
Once i-post na bansa, itag din sa ako ba?
Naging saan ka ni rin ako.
Pagpatuloy niya, ano lang kung kati. Kabalo mo kaya si kati, di ba? Hindi ka ba try?
Money among everyday journey. I worry na.
Yes, it's a journey.
Yeah, morning everyday na mo nga. Sige na rin routine.
Daily routine na mo, traveling from Doha to Alcor, Alcor to Doha, same view. And Bukra, we will going to let you see the other route.
Bit na.
Doon na siya dito man, pero dumog ako kaya nung tingog pa.
Matralalawan. You see? Naay mga hills mo din no?
Yeah, na sila yung mga small mountains. Na sila yung white hills. Sa ato sa Pinas kay chocolate hills. They're in white hills. White chocolate. White chocolate hills.
We're overtaking the pathfinder.
woman.
She's not a Qatari.
Yeah.
I think she's British.
Maybe. Mungkin.
Ah, si Mama daw. Shreya, break ba? Break it down.
Break it down, break it down. Yeah.
Roundabout. We're here in the city.
Yeah.
Taga-bukid, manggod migad.
Mao nang malipay gid mi pag mabot mig syudad. Daw na po yung bukid. Amo ra ning bukid ang dilibot.
Ano ni bukid nga
Matag.
flat surface.
Yeah, ay wa eh.
As you look, okay, make it big, a little big. Report trend.
Reporting.
What building is that?
Future. Siguro, paano na ba na siya? It's an industrial building. Siguro na sila gabuhatin dira.
I will kill your instant industry.
Qatar University. Si Qatar University. Kana nga building, Qatar University. I
Di
think
pa
that
nang
one no is
sumpay.
Qatar. Dili man siguro ba? Kanyo, mura mo siya industrial. O, kanang napay construction. Pag na kung ginamit. Kanang
Di
napay.
ba na sa pikas nga side mo, sumpay na sila.
Sa basit po.
Sakit yung gingon ni swimming pool dire rin, ikaw?
Sibon.
Kinsa ko gingon na swimming pool. Recorded pero na. Pwede daw, diri maligo, di pa na natin siya.
Oo, pwede. Medyo
Ganda
maliit
real. Ano lang, small lagoon. Ambot lang, I don't know what's inside. Mafi, water na.
Yeah. It's a dry lagoon. Dry lagoon. Dry
Lagoon din. On the left corner,
Wow.
very nice
Oh,
village.
houses, yan.
Villages?
Yeah.
Kasi buta ng S.
Yan na lang.
Dagan sila.
Yeah.
On the left
That's where the
corner.
lagoon now.
Oh, mama, doing a break ba?
This is your university roundabout because on the other side.
University. Qatar
You will
University.
find the Qatar University.
Dili na lang ko isa mo kasi mama, gilagpot. Samo kasi mama, bay gilagpot. Ah,
Is there no our driver no?
Haram.
Haram.
dali na lang ko rin. Adlo kay dito ay ako
Paper dyan ka balay. Dili pikas ito nga side. Diba?
Saba. Ba.
Basta mura man ko tayo. Ano biya ko dali sa iyang network. Esma na may esma. Kayo ka kayo. Bans ako na no bitawan na. So po yun. Say pa lang.
Ibutang nang nakuguan padud ako dili.
Basta butan niyo basta daw Facebook bans nala ko dali lang kita daw sila kiwas or dili kita.
Di gini na to malimtan natong life.
Dili na to malimtan na tong live sa Qatar.
Inanagin naman daily routine.
Bans dapat magpipili ko na sa
How many hours?
Dali ka pa ba?
Nana po ning sun nga akong kakontra ay. Where's the sun? Nya showgits man kayo guning glasses right side doy. Aw! Mamat pa ako ang kuhan mga tagak. Samok gigining nga driver nga.
Beautiful boys
All over the world.
I could be chasing
Lolo,
but
ito ba
my
ko?
time would be wasted. They got nothing on you,
You, baby.
na na na
Nothing,
nothing on you,
baby.
They might say hi,
Hello.
and I might say hey,
Hello.
But you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they get nothing on you.
You, What a big accident
Oh my
is
God,
this?
an accident!
Oh my God! See?
Oh my gosh! What an accident!
What a
Wala
big-
siya ilain kakuan parts, no?
Naam lagi mga civilian, oh. Naam lagi civilian ka parts. Kasi naay naduot dito rin.
Kasi nagsususo. Saka.
What's inside of the tank, Muhammad? Ay,
Mama,
mixer?
what's inside the tank? Ay,
Mixer? What happened to that mixer? Ah, I know, Muhammad. Kanang magkuhan gani, mag-overtaking. See, Muhammad? What a nice video I have. I make there. Lagot yung kwan English ay wrong spelling wrong.
Reporting, live.
Nakapay accident na kuha. Nanay bumbiro. Unsa kay what's inside?
There is fire. In case of fire, what are you going to do?
Just run and save your life first.
Correct.
Why should I save
Others.
others? Ah. My thanks, Muhammad. London is red. London Bridge is falling down.
Falling down.
Falling down. Masahay, mangga, dili ko kalitos.
London Bridge.
Yay!
Center. Good center. Next slide. Here. It's finished.
Yay! We're about, I think it's 5 minutes away.
Yeah, 5 minutes away from our home.
Yay!
Yes, makatulog na yun, Mino.
Aywa?
Nom.
Nom.
Badin, eat. Badin, work. Sugar.
Sugar going to Mama Hamda.
Yeah, Badin.
Badin forgot.
Again for hospital.
Aywa?
Huh? What?
Huh?
We work for Mama Amda 1 o'clock. Kaya siya nga tao mga sige gawag na sige, hindi nagkakasap na diri. Hindi gawag sila ting bagtay.
Yay!
Raise your hands up in the air. Raise your hands up in the air. Raise your hands up in the air. We are the champions,
My friend.
for we keep on fighting till the end. 'Cause no time for losers. 'Cause we are the champions.
Suko mo kay Muhammad.
Yan naman, kitagalit. Of the world. Mura po siya. Ay, dili day kay taas na kayong buhok.
Suko ang driver. Sa banda din. Kaya mo ko sa banda katang. Yay! Our home, yalar home. Hindi na lang ko may mag-sweat. May dili ka siya sweat.
Tingnan na lang guys. Our home.
Here! That
Putiban.
is our accommodation. See?